What's going on, guys? This is the Canadian. This one just came out of the paint booth not too long ago, and I wanted to show you before we actually finished reassembling. Now, this wasn't a 300-hour DAS special, just a basic sand, prime, and paint, complete of course, but just look at the quality. It will need a wet sand and a buff, but I just couldn't wait to show you guys, so I pulled it out before we reassembled. I want to show you the interior. Look at these brand new leather seats we've got in here. Again, it just got out of the booth. There's still screws and stuff everywhere, but it is so clean. I just had to show you. Look at the dash. Show you the back as well. I'm sure you can see that. Always high quality leather. Sorry about the back. We've got some panels back there. But you can see the quality. Right? That's metal. These things rot really, really easily. This one is super clean. I'll show you underneath. The entire undercarriage was repainted after having been sanded down. There is no rust on this 4Runner. Pop open the engine bay so you can see how clean even inside the engine bay is. Check this out. Door panel still off. Just look at that. Everything intact. No rust. No accidents, no leaks. The super reliable V6 3-liter. We do not cut any corners at Davis AutoSports. If something has to get done, we do it completely. No one takes the time to redo interiors the way that we do them. I'll show you guys the roof. Look at that roof. Not one piece of rust, not one imperfection. These are just the rivet holes for the roof rack, the crossbars. The windshield, no rust, no bubbling. Stay tuned.